Kiama kia ODM thutha wa kofanirio ni makombe ma guthimana hinya riri mutongoria WAKIO RAILA ODINGA athiete na mbere na kambeini yake ya kuranira utongoria wa KANJU ya urumwe wa gitaru kia mabũrũri ma Afrika nikigomanite kuhorahoria urugari uyu riu nyugunyugu cia kuhorera kwa ihinda thutha wa RAILA ODINGA gwitia mucemanio wa KANJU ya uramati wa kiama kia ODM kuria manire tariki ya ithurano cia arugamiriri akio kaunti-ini itiganite kwambiria tariki 27 mweri-ini. On
the 27th, we shall have the exercise in 3 counties, namely Kwale, Busia, and Siaya. Then on the 29th, we shall have grassroots elections happening in Kajiado, Migori, and Wajir counties. And on 30th of April, we shall have the exercise in Kisii, Vihiga, and Murang'a counties.
Ona gutuika Hassan Joho uria ni mwe wa ikirigite ya kiama giki ndanekinye mucemanio-ini uyu nganja ni ironeka kwihirira kuona we ni umwe wa aria marenda kwambatira ngathi ya RAILA ODINGA ta mutongoria wa kiama kungikinya RAILA ni iyo kigiturwa kia muikirigite wa KANJU ya AU. Ndomereri-ini yao iria ikiritwo kiro ni mutongoria wa Azimio RAILA ODINGA, ODM mirauga macira maria mahanditwo igoti-ini gwikirira muhinga riboti ya urumwe ni njama ya thirikari ya guteanira riboti ino yothe.
It is becoming apparent that some, if not all, of these court cases are state-sponsored. If indeed elements in the regime are having second thoughts regarding proposals they signed onto out of their own volition, they should come out clearly to say so, instead of sponsoring these cases in court.
Mathiete na mbere kuga thirikari ni iraiga aciario na arutani wa gagu-ini kuna nginyagia riu mbeca cia thirikari cia arutwo a form 1 itire irarekererio makiuga kuri na ugwati wa kwaga gutumwo mbere ya thukuru icokeirie rutha rwa keri.
Schools have had to find alternative ways to provide tuition, accommodation and meals to thousands of form 1s. Teachers and parents fear that the term 1 money may never be submitted and could end up in some people's pockets.
Oho ni mendekithitie maafitha ruhonge rwa kwitukia ugashiru wa indo KEBS, NCPB na Ministry ya urima kuithio murigo ni undu wa wendi wa fataraitha itakinyaniirie ikiro na mahitia ma kuiya bururi kumana na unyagi wa fataraitha ino kaunti-ini itiganite kimera-ini kia mahada.
We reiterate that in view of the current delays and confusion over fertilizers, the prices of a product be subsidized further and reduced from the current 2,500 for a 50 kg bag to 1,500 as a show of remorse and apology and respect to our farmers.
Girifotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mwaura wa Ndung'u.